the way.
Cabrón, you're in the way. I'm trying to heat up this thing.
Okay, I'm in the way. You're right.
Okay, our grill is on.
Yes.
We got rack of lamb. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Prepare this thing for us. Jasper's gonna show you how to cut that in lollipops. Don't kill me with the knife.
Okay, lollipops. We need a sharp knife. We don't have sharp.
Yeah, we do not have a sharp knife. That's the first thing you need. What's that, $38?
$38,
Wow.
$39, almost $40. Oh my God, look at this. How we remove this thing? I don't have idea. Watch. It's a lot of fat. Oh. Oh, okay.
Is that knife working out? Is it sharp enough?
Yeah, it's sharp.
Please don't cut your fingers,
No.
Jasper. Those fingers are priceless.
Yes, I know. Watch. Da-da-da-da.
You've done this before. You're like an expert.
It's not really good technique, but
Whatever helps you cut it. Just get the fat off.
yes.
Do it little at a time or one full piece. Butchery 101,
101.
from Jasperi.
Yes. Okay, all the fat is off. No more fat here. It's between this meat is more fat. Remove this one too,
Sure, remove it.
because you see here.
I don't know.
Cabrón, maybe not.
Oh, we'll cook that separately, don't worry. Yeah, watch your fingers, please.
Yeah, don't worry. My fingers grow again. Oh, you wanna see only the
Yeah, just get all the fat off.
okay.
Yeah, like that. Go from there. Exactly, one line. Make them nice lollipops. Perfecto.
Perfecto. This is fat.
Yeah. So forget all that. Wait, you wanna first yeah. Exactly.
Clean really good, right?
Clean really good. Get all that off.
Perfect.
Oh, the skin on the inside too. Get that off too.
The skin?
Yeah. This part here. This part here. Cut it off and then remove that inside layer skin. It should just come off if you just use your hands. Yeah, that part.
Beautiful. Look at this beauty. You wanna clean this area?
If you can.
Oh, cabrón,
Forgot.
I sure I can't. Watch.
Or do you just want to cut them right now? Cabron, you're doing this so good. I don't know why I'm worried for your fingers.
Don't worry for my fingers.
So yeah, Jasperito is kind of going through it really fast, but take your time, do it nice and
Leave the fast part for professionals.
yeah, leave the fast part for the professionals like Jasperito.
Yeah, come on. Ah, look at this beauty.
Yeah, there you have. I don't know how he did it so quick. Oh, there's one. Beautiful. Dos.
2.
3. 4.
Ay, cabrón. How is the fire?
The fire is looking good,
Okay.
but this is more important. This is more fun to watch. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Siete. Ay, cabrón.
Salt and pepper, that's all you need.
Okay, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Ta-da-da-da. Perfecto. I think it's okay. And pepper. Little bit, not too much. Ay, papa. Perfection, perfecto. Okay, what else?
That's it, really. I don't think we need anything else.
Okay,
I wonder if the anvil is hot.
let me see. No, it's not hot. Let me see. Ay! Oh, no, it's not.
What happened? Did you
No.
Did you burn yourself?
No, cabrón, it's not hot, this thing. Okay,
Okay, let me make it hotter for you real quick with some liquid fluid.
we need more.
Fuel.
We need more wood.
No, we got enough wood.
No,
Maybe on the outside.
where is the other piece here?
One thing we'll never run out of here is wood. No.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah.
No way.
Oh yeah, cabrón. 100,
Is it hot?
140, 160. 160 degrees. Wait, we have to wait at least 350.
We shot this thing with the, oh, let me get out of the shadow right there. That's a 20mm cannon bullet stuck in there. Man, we need to cook these roosters, keep making.
Cabrón, how I look?
You
I
look
do
good.
my haircut today.
You shaved your goatee?
Shave.
Yeah, you look like 20 years younger now.
Cabrón.
You look younger than me now.
No way.
Yeah.
I told you, small pieces. No, let me bring the big one. Cabrón, look, the big one is over there.
No, I can cut it.
No, but wait, it's not room to put the big one. Look, small pieces. Now this thing, 200. Wait, no, don't cut it. Hey, no.
I'll get it, watch.
Let me hold for you, wait.
No,
wait.
I got it.
No, cabrón, wait.
No, because it's gonna break your ankle.
No, go, okay, don't break nothing, cabrón.
Okay, you got it?
I got it.
Oh, I'm scared. You know what? I'm gonna hit my. Okay, wait. One foot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, good. We need exactly. We need it.
Okay,
Exactly.
Let's not break our ankle.
This is the piece I need. That's the piece exactly to fill it up. That's it.
Oh man.
Oh my god. You got it.
Can't get any better than that. I mean, it could get better if you want to sit there and take your sweet time. But that looks pretty good.
Yeah, come on. Hi, Poochie. Hi, Poochie. Cabron, this is for Poochie's watch.
Yeah, there's some meat on that.
Yeah. Poochie, look at this beauty for you, cabron. Here's a lot of meat. But not yet, wait. Let me cook this thing for you. Straight in the... Ay, papa. Poochie, you eat this thing really good today.
That's better. You went straight on the fire, huh?
Yeah, this is
Special.
special for Poochie.
Oh my god, that's cooking even better.
Ah, cabron, I told you. Look at this beauty.
Straight on walnut wood.
Poochie, you have to wait till this thing is cooked. How you want this thing? Medium? Or
Poochie, how do you want
Poochie,
this?
how you want this thing? Medium or rare or what? Cabron, look at this Poochie. Look at this beauty, Poochie. Just for you. No salt? You want salt, pepper? Something? No? Okay. You like this? Okay. Perfect. This is lamb.
No, that's a sheep.
Oh.
You're making the sheep sound.
They make the same sound.
Do
Okay.
they?
Or
I
something?
think it's more like this. Meh.
No, that's a sheep.
No, sheep goes bah. That's a B. Bah. with the lamb it goes meh with the M.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously.
Ay, Poochie, look at this beauty.
Cabron,
Poochie.
that's a real kebab right there.
I know.
Oh, it's ready.
No.
5 minutes will be completely ready.
Look at this, Poochie.
Oh my god, that looks that looks better than what we're gonna cook right now. Don't give it to him. Seriously.
Medium rare. It's almost done. Oh yeah, it smells good.
Oh man, Rigo would have been so jealous if he was here.
Oh, look at this color. Perfect.
Well, make sure you don't give it to him all hot. You need to cool down.
I know. That's why I'm going to.
He's gonna burn his mouth.
Good.
Okay, ready for Poochies, but we're gonna cool it down a little bit.
You have to wait, Poochie. Wait. Okay, hey, Poochies. Wait. Sit. Okay.
Okay, good job.
Wait. Let me blow this thing for you.
No, it's still hot. Don't give it to him.
Hey, sit. Okay. You have to wait over there. Sit. Okay. Don't move.
Hot.
Wait. Okay, let me check this thing. One more. Hey, sit. Poochie, sit. Okay.
Ready.
It's almost ready. Yeah, we good.
But now
Okay.
we have to wait for the fire to go down.
Yeah, we have to wait a little bit. Hey, Poochies. Hey, sit. Okay, wait. It's cabrón. He has to wait. Wait. Let me see.
You know, if I move,
Oh, it's not too hard. Ah, you jump. Okay, cabrón. Here, half. Oh,
it's hot. Burning his
it's a
mouth.
little bit hard. Yeah, you're right.
I told you.
Over there. Oh, you want a salt? You don't like? Okay. You like with salt and pepper.
I'm gonna take this out.
Time to eat. Okay, all for you. Thank you very much for coming. Time to do this thing. Okay, guys. Edwin.
Okay, the honor is all yours.
Ay, papa. This one. 3 at a time.
No, go all the way.
No, all the way out.
Yeah. Go
Here?
on the, yeah, go on the edge.
No, here is no cut.
Let me take him one thumbnail first. Hold on.
Okay.
Buddy, I know you're gonna yell at me, but please don't yell at me. Let me do this.
Hey, no! Hey!
Oh, you got it?
I got it. You wanna? Perfecto, perfection.
Perfecto, Roberto. That looks good.
Oh my God, guys! Wait, 2050. They do something to smell. You can smell in 2050. Maybe they do something on the camera.
Yeah, so the viewers can smell the
Exactly.
smell through the computer, through
Yes.
internet.
To internet, yeah. Not right now.
2050.
Yeah, 2050. Poochies!
Wait, where is Poochie's food? Did he eat it?
Yeah, cabrón.
Oh, he ate the whole thing. He
The
came
whole
round
thing,
two.
Yeah. You ready for round 2? Because you have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bones. Yes, for you.
8
Okay?
bones, but no meat.
Give me your head. And give me 5. Give me 5. Okay. We have to wait a little bit more. Medium, right? Medium. Now I learn. I go on my books, check everything. Now I know how cook panyami. No, how you?
What?
The. Oh wait, look at this thing. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, perfect. Ay, ay, ay.
You almost dropped
Ay,
it.
cabrón. Ay.
You want me to bite into it to test it?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. I don't think it's ready.
I think it's ready, kind of.
No.
Okay, let's put it out. Let's let it
Rest?
let it rest and cool down. Then let's test it.
Okay. Oh, look at this beauty.
Okay, you wanna go half and half on this first one?
I don't want a medium. No, cabrón. Eat with a stick.
Okay, with the bone.
With a bowl, yeah, like
Stick, bone, same thing. Sorry about the flies.
that's normal.
You're just gonna watch me eat it? That's weird.
Yes. The
Oh, but
moment,
then we can't do the salute. Let's see.
the moment of the truth.
Okay, it's cooked. Look,
Oh.
I told you. Mmm. Wow.
Oh.
It's cooked good. Okay, well the middle ones are cooked, so I guess we can move the rest. Mmm. Oh my god.
Really?
Perfect, yeah.
No way.
Tastes delicious.
No. My mouth is
Just eat it, cabrón. Take another one.
no.
Mmm. Oh my god, so juicy.
Yeah, I can see the drops.
Mm.
I don't know because it's lamb. I like really
Poochies.
really cook.
You take the rest.
Poochie.
Okay, cabrón, the middles are cooked. Take those off. Oh, that tasted really good. Honestly, I don't know why, but I would want this to be cooked well done. I don't know if I want to eat lamb like medium rare.
Yeah, exactly. That's the thing when
I want lamb cooked well done.
yes, me too.
That's what I would want.
Yeah, me too. Cabrón.
I don't think
But you
I don't
already
think
eat-
lamb has like rare, medium rare. I think it's just you have to cook it good.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm
you
pretty
can tell
sure.
the color? Does the whole thing just turn brown?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Just
But you good. You try.
okay, we like it cooked.
That's why.
Alright, let's go, cabrón.
Cabrón.
Take two off so we can do a
No,
salute.
not yet, cabrón. Please wait.
It's cooked, trust me, 100%.
Poochie, how is? Let me see. If Poochie, it's good, Poochie. Okay, he said yes.
Okay, take it. The middle, take the middle off for sure.
This one, right?
Yeah, you can tell by the surface. I think it's a little bit overcooked now.
It's perfect.
Okay, those two are perfect. Take those. Take one at a time. One at a time.
I don't like.
drop. Okay, I eat that one. Cabrón, the other ones are overcooked too over there.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that one is good.
I know. Why you don't wait 5 minutes? What?
Okay, give me
5
this.
minutes?
No more 5 minutes for you. Oh, you just don't like. You're not gonna have to eat. You're not gonna eat the blood. This one is done.
Okay.
Okay, we'll put this one here. This one is done too. This one is done too.
Let me. Okay.
Okay.
Let me move this one over there.
Okay, this one can.
Yeah. No, yes.
The fire got my eyes.
Go, go. Okay.
What about that one? Yeah, the one you just touched. That one was in the middle. I think it's done.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Wait. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now.
We'll overcook those ones, just to be safe.
Yes. No more stuff for me. Yeah. Ah! Ah!
Okay, let it sit for a second. Actually, it's good. Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay,
Yeah.
take
No,
that one. No, take that one. That's
No, I want this one.
Middle one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Salud.
I let you know if this is good or not.
I told you, it's good.
Salud.
Wait, first time you trying lamb?
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, God. And it's,
It tastes different, right? I told you it's
This is
good.
good. This is different, yeah, but tastes good.
Juicy, right?
Cabron, let's go remove that one. It's ready.
Cabron, I've been telling you it's ready this whole time.
This one, a little bit more. This one is ready. Let it sit. Oh my God, this is perfect. This is really good.
So juicy, wow. But that's expensive, $38
Yeah,
for these little
$38
pieces.
too much. Cabron, wait.
Cabron, you know this is really expensive in the stores. How do you know which one was mine? Oh, you didn't finish yours? Okay.
Would you? This is lamb. Be careful. This is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's not even leave it here. Let's just go.
Don't go too far because watch. This is for you too. Okay.
Let's go around two.
Okay.
Okay, this one, that one's a little bit hotter because slap it around. But you don't put salt. Okay.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Oh, ready? You record?
No, yeah.
You record?
Yeah.
You. I will.
It said video stopped automatically, and I was like, oh, hold
Oh
on.
my God. My.
Wow.
Wow. Cabron, where you got this idea?
Gordon Ramsay has this in Hell's Kitchen.
Oh my friend. Why he don't call me for this? Okay.
They cook this all the time, lamb chops.
Real, Poochie. Wait. Come on. Huh? Okay. You have to wait, Poochies.
Okay, round two. Okay, just ready.
What?
We ate already 4. No, 2 you, 2 me. 1 more you, 1 more me.
No, wait. You eat 3. I eat 2.
No.
Yes.
Wait. Oh, really?
Yeah, watch the video. Hey, come on.
Okay, he's right. Okay, I ate 3, you ate 2.
Yeah, you no more for you, 2 for me, 2 for the camera girl. Go.
No way. No, this is only fair right now. Okay, how many do you want?
I want 1 more.
Okay, no, it's only fair. Okay, how many I had? 3?
Yeah.
You had 2?
Yes. This is done.
Okay, 1 more for you, 1 more for me, and then 1 for the camera girl.
Look at this for you.
We don't have enough for the camera girl.
I know you love this thing. This one.
Yeah, that one is
Look at
mine.
this one.
Okay, and then 1 for the camera girl. Sorry, you're gonna have to only eat 1.
But this is delicious. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Oh, this one is for
No,
Poochie.
Cabron, if you want the bigger one, take the bigger one.
I give you the honor.
No, take the big one.
Cabron, this is too skinny.
Okay, I'll take the skinny one.
No, it is that one.
No, Cabron, respect. You're
please.
older
Oh,
man.
Cabron.
You're older than me. I have to respect you. You're my uncle.
Yeah, right.
Okay, that one is cooking.
It's 2 over there. Let me do my maths. Wait.
Cabron, let's go.
Okay,
Take the big one. I give a chance for you.
Oh, look at this. How you see this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Poochie. 1 for you too. Cabron, Poochie eat more than me and you. He eat 8.
Yeah, he ate more. Okay.
Salud.
Salud.
Oh my God. You record? Okay.
Wow, it's amazing how tasteful this is.
And it's tender.
Super tender.
Oh.
Okay, we need to eat this at least once a month.
You think?
You know what? Next we should cook it in a skillet or something. Okay, too much salt on this one. I think I put.
Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't put anything.
No, you put more.
It's good. And the last piece goes to the camera girl, so she can tell us how it tastes. Have you had lamb before?
Yes,
You have?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, it's different than chivo.
Yeah.
It's different.
Chivo is goat. That's different.
Isn't it in like gyros?
Gyro.
Gyros? Gyros, something
Yeah.
like that.
They put that. I think they mix it with beef sometimes. I don't know. Make sure it's not hot. Okay, how does it taste?
Hot? I told you, wait to cool this and cool it down.
Did you like it? Wait.
It's good. It's yummy.
It's got a lot of flavor, right?
Better
Good.
than meat?
No.
No?
No.
You think so?
Yeah.
If you had to choose between lamb or steak, which one would you pick? Okay, this one, I don't know how much of it I can eat. Like, it has that one, what is it called? That aftertaste, little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That one flavor, particular flavor, that we're not used to it.
Yeah, I feel it.
Huh?
I feel it. I know what you're talking about.
Okay, so yeah, you feel that aftertaste that I'm talking about? That's the...
One more bite, one more bite, go.
Goats have it too. You know when you don't kill the goat early enough and they taste like goat?
Yeah, so the goats is worse than this one.
Oh yeah, I know because...
So this one is actually not bad. This is really, it's got a nice flavor on this one.
This is a nice flavor, yeah.
But if I had to pick the steak and this, I had to steak probably.
Yeah, I'd pick the steak.
The Wagyu steak.
Wagyu.
Wagyu. The Wagyu steak.
Yo, yeah, cabron. For sure. If they offer me Wagyu steak or this, and they, hey, cabron, which one you... Cabron, give me the Wagyu. Wagyu. Okay.
The last piece, we'll keep it for one of us, I don't know. But that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Okay. Vámonos. Let's go clean the anvil.